I'm a mum and an accountant and by no means good with balloons, but today I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together one of these garland kits from Bang Bang. Your kit comes with balloons in 3 sizes and nylon line. You can also grab an installation kit from us to hang your garland on a wall. The key to a professional looking garland is round balloons in mixed sizes. To get the desired round balloon look, you need to hold it against your body and let some air out. Alright, now we need to tie the balloons up. What you want to do is hold them across from each other, wrap them around, and then tie them into a knot. Here comes the fun part. We're now going to assemble our garland. First things first, grab your nylon line and your first pair of balloons, and you're just going to wrap around the nylon line and tie it off. You're going to continue to do this until you've got no pairs left. Next one, wrap it around and just push it down. Figure a base around to tie it off. As you can see, our garland's now starting to take some shape. We're going to add in our specialty balloons to give it that professional finish. Now it's your turn. Good luck!